আসসালামু আলাইকুম রহমতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু। আমি আজকে আমাদের মাদ্রাসা সম্পর্কে কিছু বলবো, আপনারা সবাই মনোযোগ সহকারে শুনবেন। A brief overview of our madrasa. The name of our madrasa is Markazul Quran International Madrasa. It located in near Hanistor, Pahinadi Notun Mohalla, Sidrganj, Naranganj. Our madrasa is housed in a building. There are 6 rooms in it. One room is meant for the principal. Others rooms are used for the classes. Nearly 100 students in this madrasa. The classrooms are spacious and have all the required furniture. There are 7 teachers in our madrasa. Other teachers are also learned and experienced. They love us and teach us efficiently. We all obey them. The madrasa works from 8 a.m., 11 a.m. and 2 to 4 p.m. Our madrasa makes brilliant result in play. We are proud of our teachers for the Asaul. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.